Atheist. Do you honestly believe that Jonah spent 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a huge fish? Preacher: I don't know, sir, but when I get to heaven, I'll ask him. Atheist: but suppose he isn't in heaven? Preacher: then you ask him. Two beggars are sitting side by side on the street in Rome. One has a cross in front of him, the other a Star of David. Many people go by, but only put money into the hat of the beggar sitting behind the cross. A priest comes by, stops and watches throngs of people giving money to the beggar sitting behind the cross, but none give to the beggar sitting behind the Star of David. Finally, the priest goes over to the beggar behind the Star of David and says, "Don't you understand? This is a Catholic country. People aren't going to give you money if you sit there with a Star of David in front of you, especially if you are sitting beside a beggar who has a cross. In fact, they would probably give to him just out of spite." The beggar behind the Star of David listened to the priest, turned to the other beggar with the cross and said, "Moshe, look who's trying to teach the Goldstein brothers about marketing." How do you keep a dog from barking in your front yard? Put him in your backyard. Abraham comes running home and calls out to Sarah and Isaac, "Look here, I've got Windows 98. Isaac says, "But Dad, we don't have enough memory." Abraham says to Isaac, "Have faith, my son. The Lord will supply the RAM." Why don't cannibals eat comedians? Because they taste funny. Little Johnny asked his father, "Where does the wind come from?" "I don't know." "Why do dogs bark?" "I don't know." "Why is the earth round?" "I don't know." "Does it disturb you that I ask so much?" "No, son, please ask. Otherwise, you will never learn anything." Guy 1. What mouse walks on 2 legs? Guy 2. I don't know. Guy 1. Mickey Mouse. What duck walks on 2 legs? Guy 2. Donald Duck. Guy 1. All ducks, dumbass. Blonde. What does IDK stand for? Brunette. I don't know. Blonde. Oh my God, nobody does. What did the blonde say when she saw the Cheerios box? Oh my God, donut seeds. A man is talking to God. Man. God, how long is a million year? God. To me, it's about a minute. Man. God, how much is $1 million? God. To me, it's a penny. Man. God, may I have a penny? God. Wait a minute.